Welcome to the vlog. I just woke up and I'm getting ready for school, and yeah, today should be an outdoor recess, and it is Tuesday because I have Monday off, and on Thursday I have a field trip to a Shakespeare play, so yeah, I don't know what I'm doing today, but I think I'm gonna ride my bike. I have to see how cold it is out. Okay.
Oh yeah.
I am leaving. Oh! I thought my chain got taken.
Please watch your price.
Ah! Oh yay! Pure ice. I will see you when I get to school. Okay, I teleported from lunch to now. It is after school, and I am home, and I'm gonna grease my chain. Cause like, look at that, it's so bad. So yeah, let's do that. Okay. No, now it skips over second gear. I just have to go through the gears. Okay. My chain is too loose. Yeah, my chain's too loose. or whatever happened. I don't know what's happening. It skips over second gear. So, and my front brakes don't work. So I might do that when my dad gets home to help me. So yeah. Nobody outside. I didn't pick up my camera when I got home, but after I greased my chain, well, my lens is always so dirty. After I greased my chain, I edited today's video and did some homework that I had, and I think that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog, so I will see you tomorrow. Bye!